Hello students, can I ask you some riddles? Okay, my first riddle is, what has hand but cannot clap? Yes, the correct answer is a clock. Second question, where do you find an ocean with no water? Very good, the answer is on a map. Third one, what goes up and down but does not move? Yes, the answer is stairs. Last one, what is white when dirty and black when clean? Correct answer is a chalkboard. Children, you must be thinking, why Mom is asking you the riddles before starting the chapter? Actually, like you in the story, there was a man named Birbal who solved any problem with his intelligence. Today, we are going to discuss a story about Akbar and Birbal. Do you know who was Akbar and Birbal? Akbar was a Mughal king. The king had 9 ministers in his court. These 9 ministers were very talented and learned. So, they were known as Navratnas, means 9 gems. Birbal, whose real name was Mahesh Das, was one of the Navratnas in Akbar's court. He was very intelligent and clever. Today's story is from the course book Alive, Chapter 2. Birbal identifies the thief. In this story, we will find out how Birbal caught a thief using his intelligence. One day, Akbar was sitting in his court when he saw Vikramveer in a tensed mood. He asked Vikramveer that why he was looking so worried. In the next picture, Vikramveer told Akbar that last night all the valuables from his court were stolen by a thief. Third picture. Hearing this, Akbar was shocked that how it was possible, as Vikramveer lived in the safest area in the kingdom. Fourth picture. So, Akbar told Birbal that only he can solve the problem and catch the thief. Next page. Birbal told Akbar that the theft must be done by the another minister of the court, as a common man would not dare to enter the house of a minister. So Birbal ordered a servant to bring a donkey to the court and tied it to the pillar. Birbal told all the ministers to touch the donkey's tail one by one and asked them to say that they have not stolen. So everyone came one by one and repeated the sentence, I have not stolen. Birbal immediately identified the thief. He told Akbar that Jahapana, Alim Khan was the thief. Akbar was amazed to hear this. He asked Birbal how he come to know that Alim Khan was the thief. Next page. Birbal explained the king everything. He told that he had applied black paint on the donkey's tail. All the ministers except Alim Khan have a black patch on their palms. Out of fear that he would be caught, he did not touch the donkey's tail. He only did the acting of touching the tail. Actually, he had not touched the tail. And as usual, Akbar was impressed by Birbal's intelligence. And Akbar awarded a bag of gold coin to Birbal. Students, you must have enjoyed the story. Now it's time for a quick recap. Choose the correct option. Vikramveer was the name of a thief, a minister, an emperor. Tell me the right answer. Yes, Vikramveer was the name of a minister. Second question. The theft had taken place at Birbal's house, Alim Khan's house, Vikramveer's house. Yes, correct answer is Vikramveer's house. Third, Birbal's real name was Mohandas, Maheshdas or Sohandas. Right. Correct answer is Maheshdas. One more question. Birbal applied black paint to the horns of a goat, the tail of a donkey, or the ears of a donkey. Right? The correct answer is the tail of a donkey. Very good. Thank you.